My kitty's military uniform here is here to honor some of the kitties from World War One. Yes, during World War One, they had over 500,000 kitties that helped during the war. And there was one who has an amazing story named Pitouchi that we're going to talk about in today's video. Yes, Pitouchi was a mostly white kitty with just a little bit of color on the ears. Yeah, this darling served during World War One. Yes, Pitouchi was literally born in the trenches. The kitties, they would have them in the trenches to help with mousing, because with all of the decay and awful things that happened there, you can see how mice and rats would have filled them up and caused a lot of trouble and been very unsanitary. Well, Pitouchi was born in the trenches, literally. His mother had passed away, and so there was a kind soldier. He was a Belgian soldier named Lieutenant Lecoux who adopted him. And if I'm mispronouncing his name wrong, it's Lekeux. Lecoux loved his kitty and took that kitty absolutely everywhere with him. Yes, and I'm sure he was just as cute as you, Nuffy. We'll get this mouse back up there. After all, that mouse doesn't look like he's been in the trenches. Yeah. So, Patchouli saved the lieutenant's life at one point, because the lieutenant had been ordered to make a drawing of the enemy's supplies and where they had them hidden. And so he was down in a hole, it's called a shell hole, looking at that and looking at the enemy's artillery storage. A German soldier had spotted him and called for other soldiers. Well, being spooked by the sound, Pitouchi jumped out of the hole and onto some pieces of lumber. Well, the German soldiers shot at the kitty and missed. Yes, several times too, and the kitty got away. Well, the soldiers figured that all that they were doing was shooting after a cat and didn't know there was an actual soldier down there, so it saved his life. Yes, and somebody's having cute little wings. Such cute little wings. Yes, Nuffy, thank you for winking for us. Yes, because that kitty saved the soldier's life. And literally, they left, and Lieutenant Lecoux was seen with Pitouchi on his shoulder. He returned from the war. Yes, and this kitty was with him, all happy and precious, just like they should be. I thought that was an amazing story, and I think that he is a kitty hero. And thank you all so much for watching these videos with us. It's wonderful to share with everyone. If you like the content of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell so that you can see all of Nuffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And in this video, we honor all the kitties who served during the World Wars. I was really amazed to find out that we had kitties serving in World War One. And thank you to Pitouchi for saving his owner's life. And thank you all again. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.